Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Jungkook from his left and right music video. So let's get started. To draw cute Jungkook, let's first start by drawing his eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come right across about right here and draw another circle. So now that I have my two circles in, let's make them Draw So Cute eyes. Two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. Okay, so now that I have the general shape in, the eyes in, let's come to the top right here and we're going to draw a curve right over to anchor it. So about right here I'll start and right over the eye. Just going to draw a curve. Bring this in a little bit more. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to add a very light curve as well. So same thing here. So you can always adjust the shape, the top right here, as needed, and at the bottom. There. Okay, so then now that I have that in, let's go to the top and we're going to draw his eyebrow. So right about here, I'm just going to draw a soft arc right over the eye, and we're going to thicken it up. And I'll just go ahead and shade it in. And this side, I'm going to wait to draw his hair first. And then let's come back right here in this area, but right here, just give him a sweet smile and cap it off. So now that we have that done, let's go ahead, we're going to frame his face. So let's come back to the top of his eye, come out close to it, about right here. And same thing over here, give yourself a point. And we're going to start to draw his face, so kind of like a bottom of a U. Just going to come down with a curve. And I'll find my center and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point so I know where I'm going, since I'm drawing pretty big. And I'll just go ahead and curve all the way down to my point. And then let's go right back up to connect. There, so I have his face shape in now, and then we're going to just imagine this as an oval. So let's go up, just work on this side, and let's say about right here. Go up to about this area, give myself a point. This is where his hair is going to part, and come in a little bit. So this is where his hair parts. So about in this area, I'm going to draw a curve that goes up. And then let's see here. Let's draw that strand of hair. So let's come back to that area and we're going to curve up and then come down towards his eye. So close to his eye, and then we're just going to zigzag maybe two strands and then go up and then come down in this area. So then whatever space you have left, you can just finish off the face. So then right here, let's just continue our curve. And let's see here. Then before we finish anything else, let's come back to where his eyes are. So he has a little bit of sideburns. So we're just going to come up right here with an angle and then pop in his ear. Now just come in here with some details. So same thing on this side. So just give him a little bit of these sideburn hair and pop out his ear. So on this side, we're going to give him an earring. So let's come about right here. Gonna give him that loop earring. So I'm just gonna do a little loop and then finish it off. And then he has some other smaller earrings. So just draw 2 circles. Hopefully you can see that. And the detail. Okay, so then now that we have that, we can go ahead and finish his hair. So right here where her hair part's nice and full, let's go up on this side. Just gonna come down, wobble a little bit, and bring it in. So just give it a tiny little bit wobble. And then up here, we're gonna go up and just wobble as well. And then we're gonna bring it down with some strands. So about right here, come down, and you curve out a little bit, one strand, another one, and just bring it in. And this curve, and I'll come out here to finish that one main strand. Some little lines right here to give it some more texture. Okay, so now we are, oh, and his eyebrow, I almost forgot. That would have been bad, right? So about right in this area, I'm just gonna go ahead and draw the other eyebrow. Whatever you can see, I'll just thicken this part up. There. And so hopefully we've captured cute Jungkook's look. So I'm just come in here and round everything off. Okay, so then now that, oh, and his hair, oh goodness. So in his back, he has some hair right here and here, a little bit longer. Okay, so now we're done. Now we can go ahead and draw his outfit. So right in the center, just gonna give him a neck, curve down, and he has his collar, so I'm gonna go around with a curve towards the center. Then come up and down, and right here we're going to angle down to connect. So same thing here, up, down, angle down, and connect. Create that shape for his collar, and then we're going to bring this out. And then let's draw his shoulders. Just come down a little bit, and we're going to come out and curve down. So now that we have his shoulders in, let's come back to about right here, kind of like where his armpit area would be, and I'll just give myself 2 points just so I know where I'm going. And from there, I'm going to come right here and start to draw a curved line out. There. So we know this area, his chest area, and then I'll come back right here and just connect for his suit, for his shirt. And let's keep going. So we're going to bring this all the way down. It's very big and long shirt. So just keep going. And let's find his waist area. So I'll say about right here. I'm just going to go ahead and just do a little wobble and then a slight curve. So this is his belt area. And so then now we know this is his waist. We're going to come down to about right here. And I'll draw a slight angle line. This is where his legs are going to start. So I'll draw 2 angle lines out. So now that I know where his legs are, I know where to bring this jacket to about right here. Oh, I keep saying jacket, his shirt. And let's bring this down to about right there, and then we're going to connect across. So same thing on this side. And connect. From there, let's finish his legs. Let's come down, bring this out and about right here. and here. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring this down a little bit more. And let's see here. So they're slightly baggy pants, so come right here and bring it in. And they're kind of tucked in, so I'll give it a little bit of wobble. And same thing here. And give it a little bit of wobble. I'll just draw some lines right here, some curves. And come right back here, draw a straight line down for some detail. And then let's come here and we're going to draw his boots. So we're going to come out with a curve. And this side's going to be straighter. And just connect. So same thing here, straighter on this side, curve. And then we're going to curve out and connect. Now for some details, sole, so draw a curve and a curve right here. To simplify it. So sole and a big curve right here. And more curves there. Okay, so now his boots are done. We can come right here with a little bit of detail. And same thing here. Okay, so now we're done with his pants. So let's go ahead and we're going to draw his sleeves, and they're really long as well. So I'll just end them about right here. So I'll just bring down the line and about right here, connect. So same thing on the other side, so about right here. And connect. And then his hands. So right in this area, because they are very long, you're just going to see part of his thumb. So I'll just draw a little thumb and then curve some fingers right next to it. So same thing here, thumb and fingers. And then for some details, let's come right here and I'll just draw a line across. He has a shirt, almost forgot, inside, right here. And some pockets. So about right here, just add some pockets. And another one. And one over on this side, so about right here. And bunch of buttons, so here. This side's the circle. And last but not least, his necklaces that he has. So let's draw one right here, the long one, and I'll put this one as a heart to make him my Draw So Cute Jungkook, right? And then here's another one. Let me put a little circle right here to change up the direction. And a curve right there so we know it's a shirt. And that is pretty much it for my version of Jungkook here from his Left and Right video, music video with Charlie Puth. If you love that music video, please also check out my drawing of Charlie Puth as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love this and it helped you out today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you